This is the Nothing Phone 2A. Yep, this is it. This is the final design of the Phone 2A, and if you are following the hype on social media, then you must have seen all the previous leaks showing the phone's design. There was one leak showing a design with no glyph lights and a vertical dual camera setup on the top left corner. But soon that turned out to be inaccurate. But today we got the high quality renders of the phone via OnLeaks, and as per the source, this is the final design of the phone. It is also worth mentioning that the previous leak that turned out to be inaccurate was also from OnLeaks, but this time he is pretty confident with this design. So as we can see, the Nothing Phone 2A looks completely different than the last two phones from the company. There is still a dual camera setup on the back, but the cameras are now placed horizontally in the center instead of in the top left corner. The phone still has the glyph lights, but there are now only 3 LED strips around the camera module. The back has the transparent design, which has now become an identity of the Nothing products. Apart from the back, the rest of the design is the same as the previous phones by the brand. So there is a flat frame design and a flat display with symmetrical bezels and a hole punch in the center. And well, that is all about the design of the Phone 2A. As for the specifications, the Nothing Phone 2A is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro, and it has been officially confirmed as well. Going by the name, this sounds like a tweaked version of the Dimensity 7200. The phone has a 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED display, a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt fast charging, two 50 megapixel cameras on the back, a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and Android 14 based Nothing OS. Finally, the leak also claims that the starting price of the Nothing Phone 2A will be under 25,000 rupees in the Indian market. Now this pricing could be after the bank offers, but still this is a pretty good price, especially when we consider the fact that Nothing Phone 1 was launched in India at a starting price of 33,000 rupees. And that is all about this new leak. So what do you think of the design of the Nothing Phone 2A? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.